Hello guys! So, unboxing tayo ng isang product. This is from Lazada. So, nag-order ako ng mic with condenser. So, buksan natin. Binili ko sa halagang 675 pesos. Okay, so before natin buksan, kailangan disinfect muna natin yung item. Kasi mahirap na baka may virus. Lalo na't galing sa Manila. Okay, so kailangan i-disinfect muna every time na may dumadating na mga items from outside the Manila or outside the province. Okay, so na-disinfect ko na siya. Okay, so let's open it. Buksan po natin ang laman ng item kung ito ba ay maganda or whatsoever. Okay, open it. Open the box. Let's open the box. Tadaan! So here, ito, ganito lang siya kaliit. So, professional microphone na may condenser. So, actually, nag-sale siya. Dati siyang 1,000 plus. So, nakuha ko lang sa Lazada ng 675. Okay, so, free delivery na siya. Okay, so, open from here. Ayan, ito. So, maliit lang siya. Okay, maliit lang na item. Mayroon din siyang user guide para maging guide kung ano ang pwedeng gawin. Yes. Okay, so here, ito. Ko alam kung ano ang gamit nito. So, open natin. Let's open it. Woo! Ayan. Here. Okay. So cute. Next item is ito. Tsaka, ayan. So, meron pa siyang mga goma kung saan ikakabit ang mga ito. Okay. Next is yung kanyang cable with mic. May kasama na rin siyang microphone. Cute ng microphone. Maliit. Maliit lang siya. Ayan. So, i-connect ito siguro sa phone o kaya sa laptop. Okay. So, meron pa siyang cable na kasama. May dalawa. Ito siguro sa phone. And then, pwede rin. Dalawa. Okay, so here, ito, lagayan niya. Ay, meron pa. Ito pa, stand. Ay, meron siyang stand. Meron siyang kasamang maliit na stand. Cute na stand. Here. This is the stand. Oh. Microphone with condenser. Ay, ang condenser na ito. Ayan. Professional microphone daw. Very affordable price. Sa halagang 600 plus. Pwede ng pagtsagaan. Ayan. So, kakabit natin kung ano ang first step. Okay, so first step, if your computer has only one audio port, a converter is required as shown below. Okay. Okay, so we will assemble this item, the professional microphone. So, the professional microphone usually used for blogging, recording, and even you can also use this for singing. Okay, so first is that it has a stand. Oh my, where's the stand? This one. Okay, this is the stand. So cute. Really? Yeah, so cute. Okay, next step. Okay, so this one. Okay. This serves as the handle for the microphone and others. Okay, so all you have to do is to loosen the screw at the top of this part. Okay, you loosen it again and again. Okay, So you had to connect it to the tripod, mini tripod of this product. Okay. So you move it again. What's this? You have to tighten it. Okay. So just like this. Next is the small metal. You have to connect this at the top of this item. Okay, connect it. Okay. That's it. And then you tighten it. You tighten the screw. Tighten again the screw, the other one. Ta-da-da! That's it. Okay. So, what's next? The microphone. So the microphone is very cute. Cutie pie. It's very, very cute. Yeah. This one. So cute. So all we have to do, we have to put it at the center of this product. Okay. But how we will put it? Okay. So here we have to remove what's this? Ouch. Okay, we'll remove it so that the microphone will go to the other side. Okay. So you put the microphone there. Oh my gosh, it's not fitted. So you have to put first the cable. The cable first. Okay. There. Hey, there we go. There we go. Yeah, that's it. Then we have to put the rubber that serves as the foundation of the microphone so that it will not fall down. Okay. So the other side. Oh. Gonna happening the other side. Yeah, that's it. So nice. The microphone is very cute, as you can see. Then you put the other side or the other in the end of the microphone, the remaining rubber. Okay, but how I am going to put it there? So we have to insert it in the cable of the microphone. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Yes. So nice. It's very easy to install, or it's very easy to assemble. But at first, you have to think how to assemble the other parts. Yes, perfecto. Yeah, that's it. Yay. Okay, so next we will insert this into this onto the top of the metal. Okay, as you can see, okay, you can put it there just like that. Okay, you move it all around. You move it all around. Oh yeah, that's it. So nice. Okay, and then we have the jack. Okay, so usually it is connected in the laptop. Okay, this one. So if you want to use your laptop for this microphone, so the jack, you have to put the jack in the, what's this, the music side, this one of the laptop. So here, okay, you put it there. Okay, then you put it there. So as you can see, there is a 2-port in the jack. The green one and the red one. So the green one, you have to insert here the headset. And then the red one, you have to insert here the microphone. Okay? So let's do it. Oh yeah, so easy. Very easy to install. Don't forget the red port of the jack. You have to connect that to the microphone. Okay, so there. And then the green one, the headset. You connect it to the headset. Okay. So there. So let's try it. So I am using the laptop for recording. Okay. So you can tilt it in any direction. So you can have it downwards, you can have it upwards, and even, no, it's just only two direction. Downward and the upward position. Okay. So much better if we will do it in an upward position, because if you are going to speak, it is exactly in the mouth. Okay, so cute. Here we go, but then we have to set it up in the computer. Have to set it up in the computer. Okay. So you have to go to the speaker of the computer, the speaker icon at the bottom of the computer. Okay, you go there, you click it. You click it that way. You go to the bottom of the computer and then you click the sounds. Okay. You have to click the sound. Do I need to show it? Do I need to show it? Okay, here. Yeah. At the bottom of the laptop, here, there is an icon of the speaker. Okay, you right click it, then you click the sounds. So there. Under the sound, you have to click the recording. Okay, here. Did you see it? Okay, you have to click the recording, then you click the microphone, and then click OK. And then next, let's try it. Let's try it, baby. Try it again. Oh no, where is that microphone? You have to put on. You have to put it on the microphone. Okay, so be sure that there is a sound over there. Oh, that's it. Hello. Hello, mic test. Okay, there is an echo coming from the laptop. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, mic test. Okay, yeah. This is it. Successfully installed and assembled. That's easy as this. Okay? So, hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 mic test. Hello, mic test, mic test. There's an echo coming from the computer. Hello. No echo? Hello, hello.